YouTube, I want to get on here and do a get ready with me video. Excuse my face. I am going to head out in a minute, and I just wanted to get on here and show y'all what I use as my daily makeup routine. It's just a few things. I don't use much, but I just kind of wanted to get on here and show y'all exactly what I use and how I use it. So if you want to see how I do that, keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I do is I wash my face. The scrub, it's called the Glam Glow Hydrating Treatment Mask. It's intense. It's by Hollywood, California, Glam Glow. I'm not sure if you can see that. It says to apply a thin layer to the clean skin 2 to 3 times a week. I just do a quick buff just so my skin is really cleansed before I do my makeup. So I do that, and then I put on a moisturizer. Put on this Neutrogena moisturizer. I'm not sure if you can see that. It's the Hydro Boost Water Gel. I live by this stuff. It's pretty amazing. So I do that, and then the next thing I use is the Instant Age Rewind Base Primer. So first I'm going to do that really quick. I do that, and then the next thing I do is grab my my Master Conceal by Face Studio. I use the 40 medium color, and I have my sponge that I blend. So I just put a little bit, dab it where I need it to go. I mainly focus my spot areas, which would be around here, here, and a little bit in my T-zone right here. And you just blot it down. So once I have the concealer on, I purchased this Sun Kiss Trio by City Color, I think from Target like 5 years ago. I mainly use this one on this side just to give me a little bit of contour. I am not a professional makeup artist in any way. I just kind of go by certain videos that I've seen, or just certain techniques that I've seen or picked up on certain videos. So what I do is go back if you feel like you need more. So I'm done with that. And then what I do next is I grab this palette that I got from probably Target as well. I've had it for a couple of years. The Wet n Wild Illuminating Palette called Catwalk Pink. And I just have a little brush and just kind of use the pink just to give me a little bit of color to brighten it up on my nose and then on the inner parts right under my eye. A little bit more of this just to give me a little bit of definition. Okay, and then I have this Hard Candy Hydrating Lip Stain. Madly in Love is the color. I lost the top, but I've had it for a while now. I love that fresh lip look without it looking as if I put on a ton of lipstick. So I just pat it down. Okay. So once that's done, I will go ahead and do my eyelashes. I normally have my eyelash extensions in. Hold on one second, my baby's crying. Okay, so I'm back. My little one's with me. Mom life, totally. The eyelash extensions, I do them myself. But recently, I haven't, just because I haven't had time. So the two mascaras that I normally use is the Lash Studio by Maybelline New York. I use that one. And then I use the CoverGirl Fibers. I'm not sure, the super size fibers. I use that one. And I kind of do both. The first one that I use is the fibers just to kind of build it. Just clean the under and on top. I did purchase a, I bought it on some beauty site, but I'll link it down below. I'm actually going to be doing a review video on this. It says it lasts for 7 days. So if you want to see that, I will be posting that pretty soon. But yeah, so this is just my daily look. It's really, it's not much at all. Sometimes I do go a little dramatic, but as a daily, this is pretty much all I use. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is straighten my hair. If you like videos like this, give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more videos like this, comment down below and I'll definitely love to share some with you. But like I said, I do have a couple more videos coming out, like the eyebrow review, and also if y'all want to see me do the chemical peel, what else? Oh, and I can also show y'all how to straighten and curl with this straightener if you wanted to. But anyway, so that's it. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.
Bye.